What's up, y'all? I'm Aviana Zurin, and today we are in Biloxi, Mississippi. We've got a little small group that's here, you know, and it's time for some exploring. I've never been out to this area for the Gulf Islands, so what's best to explore but with some buddies. All right, we got Brian, Charles, Gunny's over there. We're meeting some people at the boat ramp, and Natalie's on her way, and who else? And some people from Emerald Coast syndicates will be here. And tomorrow we have something else special going on with these Gulf Coast riders, jet ski riders. I'm not sure, but you'll have to check out that video. Link will be above there. So we are here staying right now, living the RV life. What's awesome is that when you have friends that have RVs also, and you can enjoy it with your friends. If you're not subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of the videos that we have coming up. And also, go ahead and hit that like button now, because you know what? You're gonna like this video. So the plan today, they're gonna hop around on some islands, go check out some restaurants, and hopefully walk to some forts. There's two that are out there that I know of, so hopefully they're open and unlocked. And all the addresses, the GPS and everything will be down below in the video description. But all right, let's hurry up and pack up and get to the ramp. So everybody's in the water now, just launched the last skis, and look, the sun came out. I was kind of worried that it was gonna be kind of gloomy and we wouldn't be able to see how clear the water is on these islands. But you know what? We gotta make do with what we have, and I don't care. Every day is a nice day. It doesn't matter if it's raining or not. We just make the best of it. But look, we got Gunny over here.
Xtreme, baby, Xtreme.
Xtreme. He don't care if it's choppy or not. We got everybody out on the water already. I just gotta put up my stuff and we're ready to go. All right, we're ready. We're running a little late, but you know what? We're making some good timing, because you know why? We're not on a time schedule. I just needed something a little bit of relaxing. But right now we're gonna go to Horn Island. In a couple days we'll be going to Cat Island and Ship Island. Woo! Let's go! look at that. Guys, it's so nice out here. I wish we had islands like this in Texas. I mean, it's similar, but I mean, the water is pretty nice over here. All right, so we just pulled up to Horn Island, and it is super pretty here. Now, I really wish that we could have a place like this near where we live. I would be going island hopping all the time, or camping. Check out these drone videos. So Charles is navigating us now. I sent him the coordinates and he's got the GPS. I really need to install a Garmin in mine. I normally use my phone, Google Maps, and it's just nice sometimes just to have two hands to drive with. I don't advise anybody to drive with one hand, but I mean, if you are experienced or whatever, or comfortable, then go ahead and get your badass videos. Okay, cool. We're going. Lead the way. Woohoo! Oh, this island looks so beautiful. I mean, it's no Exuma, Bahamas, but man, it's beautiful. Oh, you're gonna act like you don't know me.
He went right into the little
Hi, how are you?
Hey.
He went to get the sandbar and then went into the middle of the... Where do you live?
Over there.
Oh, you don't live that far. Look,
Here.
I know. And there's dolphins and stingrays. But we have our own little private pool where we can relax and wait for our cabana boy to bring us some drinks. Right here.
Not stationed.
Huh?
Not even that cold. Guess what I forgot? I forgot towels.
You know not to step on them. Look how clear this water is. Turbo, you've been hiding this from the rest of the world.
No, it's right here.
No. This PWC community, they don't know about this place. I'm barely hearing about it.
This is what happened to me. I accidentally found this island when I sold my old Seadoo, bought that one. Me and Milo came hauling butt out here, no GPS, and I'm like, I saw an island on a map somewhere. I didn't see anything. I don't know where we were. We ended up here, and I've been coming back ever since.
So you should have just claimed it your island.
Yeah, I
This
just
is
did.
Turbo Island.
Turbo. It's not La Petite.
La Petite. Guys, this island is called La Petite. Petite boy.
Pretty boy.
You wouldn't think we're in Mississippi. Wait, is this Mississippi? Oh no, this is the state line, right?
The state line's
Right there. So we're still in Mississippi right here. Everybody else is like loading up and we're starting to go walk down the beach. What do you got there? Oh. Sir, that's stealing from Mississippi. What are you doing? This one's pretty. Oh, it's broken. Oh, sucks. Sir, I think you've got enough. We're gonna make little...
I'm gonna laser engage.
Cover your chi-chis with those?
I'm gonna laser engage.
All right, guys, so we're back on the skis. We're heading over to Dauphin Island. We're gonna try to get some grub, some refreshments. And let me tell you guys, this island is amazing. You know, it comes on one of my top lists of beaches to come ride to. This beach has made the top 10 of beaches you have to check out. And you're probably like, Mississippi? Me too. I'm pretty surprised too, but it's because this island is like not crowded. Not a lot of people come out here. So it's not a party island. It's great for you and your friends, you and your girlfriend, wife, boyfriend, husband, whatever. And just to come and hang out or even camp. Turbo and Milo camp out here all the time. So I can't wait to come back. I wish we could stay out here longer, but we've got to go to the next island. So, all right. Let's go. We just pulled into Pirates Cove. And if you're looking for it, it's like off in a little peninsula on Dauphin Island. And I called to make sure we're allowed to be here and we can just walk up to the restaurant and the bar. And they said it was good. They have all this and it's pretty shallow on the edges so you can beach up your ski. Eating late lunch over here at Pirates Cove. It's good. Their food's good. Y'all gotta check out this place. Great parking for your skis and just good vibes there. But now we're at, what time is it? 4:39. So sunset happens at 6:30. We have about 15 miles to go. So we're gonna start heading back already. No ford, we're not able to do it. So I guess that means I need to come back. so we just barely made it back. I don't know, just in time, because the sun was literally like, there's barely any sun. But, and somebody ran out of fuel because he likes to be in boost a lot. So we gave him some fuel. Check out the video. We're gonna be doing Ship Island and the fort and Cat Island. So I'll put the links above here. It should be after today. So if you're wondering why we didn't go, that's why. But again, thanks for watching the channel and hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out the video description and also like the video, subscribe, and if you have any questions, comment down below. But until next time, see you guys on the water. Go ahead. There you go. All right. Milo sniffing your butt now. What else you got for me?
I don't know. Usually I do it with the music.
Oh, okay, okay.
I'm like,
Oh, wow. Yeah. Do it for the camera.
videoing?